Yes, good morning everyone. So guys, hope it is loud and clear to all. If yes, then just let me know in the chat box and we can start with the class. Yes, all of you. Yes, I can see some of you. Yes, everyone, good morning. Good morning, Bablu. Yes, so guys, today we have averages with us, right? And these are some basic informations regarding the classes. This is our YouTube channel. And this is the book that we follow in the class, right? And this is the test series. And here, like, this is the Telegram group and channel for your discussions, right? And this is some other programs like the recorded one and the mentorship program. And guys, today's class is the average. And friends, average is actually an important topic and it's a very logical topic, right? Here we are not going to use any formula. We are just solving the question with the thinking only, right? And you will find this topic very interesting and very tricky, right? And this topic will be used in some other topics also, because these days UPSC is focusing upon interdisciplinary question, right? And I'll be showing you some questions like which are there from this topic only, but they will be asked in form of some number system questions, in form of some data sufficiency questions, in form of some reasoning questions also. You can find the questions of average, right? So guys, I'll be showing you all the questions, like what is, the wide range of this topic, fine. So let's discuss everybody. Okay. Someone is asking, sir, are you having any branches in Hyderabad? No, we don't have any branch in Hyderabad. We are in Delhi only, right? हमारी कोई और शाखा नहीं है, right? Okay. चलिए. So everyone, now let's move, guys, with the topic. So guys, average, right? Average. Average is what? If suppose that you have to explain average to a layman, right? Let's say you have to explain average to your grandfather, right? Who has no connection with his studies now, right? Then how you will define average to him? Average. Yes. Sharing. Any idea? Anything that that is coming to your mind, like how you are going to explain average?
It is just a middle term.
It is just the middle term? अच्छा ठीक है, okay.
With respect to the number of the quantities.
Okay. Sum of the quantity with respect to the number of quantities. Okay. Okay. Yes. Anything else? Huh? Mean? Okay. You will define this to your grandfather. Mean? See everyone, you are aspiring for public services job, right? You will be in public services. You have to convince people, convince the mass, convince the layman, right? So you need to talk in their own languages, fine? So you can't show your knowledge of maths over there, like mean or median or something, right? You need to talk to them in their own terminologies, in their own convenient language, right? So anything that is coming to your mind, guys. जब तक आप simplify नहीं कर पाएंगे तब तक मामला गड़बड़ है, right? So guys, what is average? How you will define average? Vishal, suppose that you need to define average to your grandfather. कैसे बताएंगे? Yes, everybody. Okay, some online students. Yes, everyone. Huh? Approximate. Average होता है. Okay. Yes, everyone. Just let me know. Let me tell you. देखिए, average is what? Average is the equal distribution of what we have. That's it. Right? A very simple thing. The equal distribution of what we have among ourselves. Right? Suppose that in this room, let's say 10-15 students are sitting, for example, right? And you have, let's say, 2,000 rupees in your pocket. You have, let's say, 5,000. You have 10,000. I have 0 rupees, right? And we just want to distribute all the money equally among all of us, right? You all have some money. So we all have collected our money at one place and we have just counted, let's say we are 15 people, right? So that sum of money will be divided by 15. Correct everybody? Right. So this is the mathematical formula for average. Total divided by number of terms, or sum of data divided by number of data, right? Sum of terms divided by number of terms, right? So this is the mathematical interpretation. But from where that mathematical concept or the mathematical formula came? The formula came from this intent that we have to divide everything equally among all of us. Guys, getting it? Right? So maths is actually the outcome of your thought only. Right? Clear, guys? Average means the equal distribution of what we have among ourselves. That's it. Correct, everyone? So online students, guys, is it right? Okay. Ankita Raj is saying, let other people know how precious you are, sir. Oh. I'm really humbled. Yes. So everyone, guys, so this was the basic definition of average, right? And let me tell you, we will not coming directly to these type of questions. We'll start with some basic questions first, right? And we will develop the thought process gradually how to use that thinking in the questions. Correct everybody? Huh? So let's start with the first question. The first question is, find the average of first 5 natural numbers. Okay everyone? So don't solve it, right? करना नहीं है, आप ये मत करिएगा कि 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 5. Don't solve this, right? Just think on it, right? Everyone, just think on it. So, मुझे एक बात बताइए, as a layman, what will be the average of 1 and 2? These are first 2 natural numbers, right? What is their average? 1.5. 1.5? ठीक है? Okay. So this is 1.5. All right. Now, first 3 natural numbers. What is their average, guys? 2. Yes. And you may observe one more thing. 2 is exactly the middle term, right? When they are consecutive numbers, 2 is exactly the middle term. Huh? Again, what will be the average of first 4 natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, everybody. What will be the average of first 4 natural numbers? 2.5. See guys, here the average is 2 and here the average you are saying is 2.5. So again guys, since we have even number of terms, consecutive, so here you can't find the exact middle term like we have found here, right? But here, one term will be removed from this side and one term will be removed from that side, and we will have we will be like left with 2 terms. So average of these 2 terms will be considered as the average of the entire series. Okay. Now one more. Let's say we have one more series with odd number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, what is the average now? The average is 3 because exactly middle term can be found, right? So here the average is 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the average? Everybody?
3.5.
Yes, the average is 3.5, right? Middle 2 terms, the average of middle 2 terms will be the final average. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What is the average?
6.
What is the average? The average is 6. You are right. Exactly the middle term will be the average. देखिए 5 terms here, 5 terms here. This is the exactly middle term, right? So this will be the average. Everybody, just observe this thing very carefully. Here, the average of the entire series is, you are telling me, 6, correct? Fine. Now, if I ask you, what is the average of first term and the last term? I mean the last term, the first term and the last term. What is the average? The first term and the last term. What is the average? 1 plus 11, which is 12. 12 divided by 2. The answer is 6, right? Okay. Now, what is the average of second term of the series and second last term of the series? Again 6. What is the average of third term of the series and third last term of the series? Again 6. Correct, everybody? And guys, you know, this pattern will be applicable in all those series where we have the fixed difference between the consecutive terms. These type of series are known as AP, arithmetic progression. You might have studied this in your school, arithmetic progression. Okay? Arithmetic progression means the series that has, लिख लीजिए आप, arithmetic progression जिसको हिंदी में कहा जाता है, हिंदी में क्या कहा जाता है इसको? समांतर श्रेणी. समांतर श्रेणी, yes. अरे मुझे आता है भाई. Yes. So everyone, all right. Arithmetic progression, yes. लिखिए. A series where the difference between any two consecutive terms always remains the same. A series where the difference between any two consecutive terms, I repeat, a series where the difference between any two consecutive terms always remains the same. A series where the difference between any two consecutive terms always remains the same is known as AP, right? आप इसको लिखना चाहें तो ठीक है, नहीं लिखना चाहते तो ठीक है. Is known as AP. Everyone fine now? So guys, here, आप देखिए जरा. Here, I mean, if I talk about the difference between consecutive terms throughout the series, right? आप कहीं पे भी निकाल लो. If suppose that you are finding the difference between these two terms, this is one. Difference between these two terms, this is one. Difference between these two terms, this is also one. So throughout the series, the difference between two consecutive terms remains constant. So this series is known as an arithmetic progression, AP, right everybody? So this will follow this property. The average will be the average exactly the middle term, right? And the average of first term and the last term will be same as the average of the series. Everybody okay? Right. Now friends, if I talk about some mathematical formula, right? If I talk about some mathematical formula, so average that you need, I mean that you told me earlier is sum of terms divided by number of terms, right? Sum of terms divided by number of terms. ठीक है? So sum of terms divided by number of terms. ये कलर ठीक है, लाइट तो नहीं लग रहा है आप लोगों को देखने में? ठीक है? Okay. So sum of terms divided by number of terms. Sum of terms we don't know here. Suppose that we need to find the sum of terms, right everybody? So average into number of terms will be equal to sum of terms. What is the average? The average is 6. How many terms are there? 11. This is sum of terms, guys. Everyone fine now? Oh, this is sum of terms. So sum of terms will be what? 66, right? So everyone, मुझे एक बात बताइएगा, just think on it. If we have 1, 2, 3, up to suppose that 100, what will be the average of this series?
50.5.
This is 1 plus 100 divided by 2. This is 101 divided by 2.
11 से 6 का मल्टीप्लाई कैसे सम ऑफ दैट?
अरे ये उठा के इधर लाएंगे तो मल्टीप्लाई होगा ना. अरे भाई देखिए x इज इक्वल टू 2/3 लिखा हुआ है अगर, सो 3x इज इक्वल टू 2 हो जाएगा ना, राइट? आदर्श. ठीक है अभी. ओके, सो एवरीबॉडी फाइन नाउ? हाँ, नाउ guys, here the average is what? The average is 1 plus 100 divided by 2, correct? Which is what? 50.5. Okay. Now, suppose that if I am writing this as 1 to n, n की value can be anything, it can be 100 also, it can be 500 also, it can be 50 also, anything, right? What will be the average, guys? What is the average? N plus 1 divided by 2, right? Okay. N plus 1 divided by 2. How many terms are written? How many terms are written? N terms, right? So this is the sum of what? This is the sum of first n natural numbers. This is also known as sigma n or summation n. Sum of first n natural numbers is what? Number of terms into average. Everybody clear? Sum of first n natural numbers yes, everybody? Sum of first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Right, everyone? Fine. Where n plus 1 is the average and n is the number of terms. Right. You might have studied this formula. Sigma n is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Right. So here is the derivation. How simple the derivation is. Right. Average into number of terms. Correct, everyone? How simple the derivation is. Right. Okay. Fine now, friends? Any doubt? Clear? Okay. Shall we move? Shall we move? Okay. Okay. After that, guys, now you don't need to solve the question. You have to read the question, you have to think about it, and you need to find the solution. Correct? Yes. Just tell me the answer.
5.5.
Good. Yes, everyone. This is 1 plus 10 divided by 2. The answer is 11 by 2, which is 5.5. Everyone fine now? Comfortable? Very good. Okay. After that, guys, just read this question. Okay, everyone, just read this question. Yes. Don't solve it, right? You will have to just read it and this will be solved itself. What is the answer, Ayan? Yes. Very good. See, guys, just read the question. The question says the average of any 5 consecutive natural numbers is x. The average of any 5 consecutive, just focus upon this, any 5, right? The average of any 5 consecutive natural numbers is x. If the next number, next means the 6th one, the 6th number, the next number is also included, the average becomes y. Find y minus x. Right, guys, this is the question. See, all of you, the question says the average of any 5 consecutive natural numbers, right? So, if they are saying any 5, so think about the easiest set of 5 consecutive natural numbers. What is that?
1 to 5.
1 to 5. Okay. So, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first set is this. What is the average?
3.
Your x is 3, right? Everyone fine? Now, if you include the next number also, this will be 6th. The average becomes what now?
3.5.
The average becomes 3.5, right? So, y is equal to 3.5. They are asking y minus x. Right? While reading the question is over, guys. Okay? Yes. Everybody fine now? Guys, any doubt, any confusion, any query? Anyone in the class? Yes, friends? Is it clear? Right? So, how simple the question is, right? But yes, let me tell you, if the same question comes to the examination without your prior knowledge about these type of questions, then you will be solving the question like, let us assume the first number is x, then the second number is x plus 1, then the third number is x plus 2, right? ऐसे ही करेंगे ना, right? So, हो जाएगा उससे भी, लेकिन the question worth, I mean the worth of the question is just 30-40 seconds and you will take around 2 minutes, right? So, you are going to waste your time, that's it. देखिए पता है क्या होता है, जब आप इक्वेशंस लिखते हैं ना, सो यू नो देयर आर टू प्रॉब्लम्स, राइट? In fact, there are multiple problems, but I am summarizing this in the two problems only. So the first thing is कि you take a lot of time to solve that equation, number one, right? You take a lot of space also to write that equation, number two. And number three, you get tired also, guys. Because in the examination, you don't have to solve one question or two questions or three questions. You need to solve the questions continuously for 2 hours with the same efficiency, with the same accuracy, right? So you cannot make yourself tired during the examination, right? So it's better to solve the question as much as possible, like in the brain only. I mean, without using pen. Just read the question, solve it. Read the question, solve it, right? So that you can solve maximum questions with the same accuracy, right? With the same efficiency also. Okay, guys, is it correct now? ठीक है? All right. Now, see, all of you, पहले मुझे ये बताइए, इधर देखिए जरा, पहले मुझे ये बताइए कि find the average of first 10 consecutive odd natural numbers. पहले तो ये बताइए, this series will be AP or not?
Yes.
AP.
AP.
Why?
Because the difference will remain same throughout the series.
Yes. The first term will be what?
1,
The first term will be 1. The second term?
3,
3. Then
5.
5, 7, right? And so on. See, everyone, this series will be AP, that is correct. But I'm not here to give you the solution of this particular problem. I'm here to give you the solution of like the families of this type of problem. Are you getting it? Let's say this question is saying 10. Suppose that the same question asks for 15, or let's say 20, or let's say 25, or let's say 50, right? Then obviously you have to decide first, like what will be the last term of the series and what will be the first term of the series, right? Because in AP you can find the average by adding first term and last term divided by 2, right everybody? In any AP you can find the average by just finding the average of the first term and the last term, right? The average will be clear. But provided you should be knowing the first term and the last term. The first term is always 1. That is okay. In these type of series, what will be the last term? Suppose that if I ask you the last term for this particular question, then what is the answer? You will take time, right? You will take time. ठीक है? So कैसे होगा? जल्दी कैसे होगा? Anyone? Any suggestion? जल्दी कैसे होगा? Mimi.
इनका सम कोई फॉर्मूला से इनका सम निकालना
सम निकालने कोई फॉर्मूले से? ओके. एनीथिंग एल्स? जल्दी कैसे होगा गाइस? कैसे जल्दी होगा? बिना लास्ट टर्म के कैसे होगा? लास्ट टर्म कैसे होगा ये बताइए. लास्ट टर्म, हाउ टू फाइंड द लास्ट टर्म क्विकली? Mimi, I'm expecting some answer from you. Okay. See, everyone, just look at this. Let me tell you. ठीक है. Nth term, right? Everyone. Your friend is suggesting, sir, try to find the nth term. Right? Nth term means the general term. The value of n can be 10 also, the value of n can be 15 also, the value of n can be 50 also, 30 also, 25 also, whatever, right? So we need to find the general term of this series so that we can find any of the required term, right? So everybody, just look at the series first. The series is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. बस इसके आगे मैं नहीं लिखूंगा, right? अच्छा. So guys, in these type of questions, I mean in any AP, right? This process is applicable with AP only. So in any AP, if you need to find the general term, then the process is you just find the difference between any two consecutive terms, and obviously that difference will be constant. So that difference will be same always, right? So here the difference is what? Here the difference is 2, right? So 2 will be multiplied with n, right? So this is 2n. Now guys, here n is what? N is the value of the term. If you put n is equal to 1, you will get the first term. If you put n is equal to 2, you will get the second term, and so on, right? Because you are trying to find the nth term. You are trying to find the nth term, right? So if you put n is equal to 1, then ideally you should get the first term. Everyone, if you put n is equal to 1, then ideally you should get the first term, right? So if I am putting n is equal to 1 here, right, then what I am getting? 2. So the first term of the series is what? 1. So this is 1 less than this. So 2n minus 1 is the final term. Everybody, 2n minus 1 is the nth term of this series. Now put any n and you will get the same answer. Suppose that you want to find the fifth term of this series, right? Everybody, fifth term. So put n is equal to 5 here. N is equal to 5 here. So 2 into 5 minus 1. This is 9, right? Everybody clear? Right? So what is the modus operandi of these type of questions? Difference between two consecutive terms into n, put the value of n as 1, compare it with the first term and try to find the difference or sum, whatever it is. Everybody clear now? Right? Okay, just wait. Do one more question. Everyone, please do one more question. इस बार आप लिखेंगे नहीं, you will have to tell me the answer. Right? Everyone put down the pens. All of you, just look at this. 3, 7, 11, 15, sorry. हाँ, ठीक है. 3, 7, 11, 15, 19 and so on. What is the nth term of the series, guys? Quick. हाँ? हाँ हाँ.
Sir,
Huh?
3n minus 1. 4n, sorry, 4n minus 1.
It is 4n minus 1. Guys, those who are sitting online, everybody, it is 4n minus 1. The difference between two consecutive terms is always 4 here, right? 4. So 4n. Now put n is equal to 1. This is 1 less than 3. Sorry, 1 less than 4.
3.
So yes, the general term is 4n minus 1. Right, everybody? Anything you can cross check it. I mean, the fourth term. So 4 into 4 minus 1 is 15. Guys, clear? Okay? One more question. Kariye. One more question, friends. Now I'm changing the color of the pen, right? The question will be written here. So let's say this is 3, 6, no, not 3, 6. Let's say this is 5, then 8, then 11, then 14, then 17 and so on. What is the answer, guys?
3n minus 1.
Huh?
3n minus
3n minus?
1.
Okay.
Plus 2.
Huh?
3n plus 2.
3n plus 2. Parul, what happened? Huh? See, guys, this is 3, this is 3, this is 3, right? So 3n, and if you put n is equal to 1, you will get 3, but here it is 5, so 2 more than this. So 3n plus 2 is the general term of this series, guys. Everybody okay? Right. Guys, any doubt?
Sir, we have to verify once.
Obviously.
I thought this is the formula.
Acha, just always minus 1. Ah, oh.
Just we need to find out the difference
And then minus 1. Yes. Online students, guys, getting it? Everyone? How? All of you? Everybody? Those who are sitting online, guys, please try to respond. All right. Okay. Is it fine now, friends? Huh? Guys, any doubt? Any confusion? Now you are comfortable with nth term?
Yes.
Let's take one more question.
Yes.
हाँ, let's take one more question. All right. ठीक है, देखिए everyone. Now let me change the color of the pen, and I'm using the blue color now. See, guys, the question is written here. Fine. Just tell me the nth term of the series. This is 6. This is 10, and 14, and then 18, and then 22, and so on. Yes.
4n plus 2.
Yes, guys, it is 4n plus 2. Everybody clear now?
Yes.
Right? It is 4n plus 2. Guys, comfortable now? विशाल देखिए, the difference is 4, so 4 into n, right? अब n की वैल्यू को 1 पुट कर दीजिए, ठीक? n की वैल्यू को जब 1 डालेंगे तो फर्स्ट टर्म मिलना चाहिए आइडियली, ठीक है? फर्स्ट टर्म है 6, आप निकाल रहे हैं फर्स्ट टर्म, जब आप n को 1 डाल रहे हैं तो वो बन रहा है 4, आपका बन रहा है 4, आइडियली इसको बन जाना चाहिए 6, तो 4 को 6 बनाने के लिए 2 ऐड करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो 4n + 2, ठीक? अब n की वैल्यू कुछ भी डाल के आप क्रॉस वेरीफाई कर लो, देखो ये जैसे मान लीजिए फोर्थ टर्म है, तो n की वैल्यू अगर आप 4 डालेंगे तो ये 18 बनेगा क्या? चेक करिए जरा, बनेगा, राइट? क्लियर? बस हो गया, ओके? सो फ्रेंड्स, एनी डाउट प्लीज आस्क, राइट? ओके, when to add and when to subtract. See, when you have to just compare this term with the first term, right? And just try to find the difference. I mean, if it is more than first term, so obviously you have to subtract it something. If it is less than the first term, then you have to add it something, right? Okay. Just compare it with the first term, that's it. All right. Guys, is it correct now? Vishal, abhi theek hai? Chaliye, good, very good. All right. Friends, it is clear now. अच्छा, now let's talk about the actual question. ये तो खो गया कहीं भीड़ में, right? Let's talk about the actual question, guys. What was the actual question? The actual question was find the average of first 10 consecutive odd natural numbers, right? This is the actual question. First 10 odd natural numbers. मैं लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पे. The average of first 10 odd consecutive natural numbers, ठीक है? So everyone, the first term will be what? 1, and the 10th term, I mean nth term आपने इसका क्या निकाला था?
2n minus 1.
The nth term we have found is 2n minus 1, right? So the 10th term would be what? 19. If you put n is equal to 10, 2 into 10 minus 1, you will get 19, guys, right? So the 10th term of this series will be 19, right? Average is what?
10.
Average is 1 plus 19 divided by 2, which is 10, right? Okay. Guys, any doubt? Clear now? Everyone? Huh? Okay. Yes, guys, those who are sitting online, friends, any doubt? Someone is saying, sir, on 17th we have our exam. Okay, so all the very best for your exam. Yes. इससे ज़्यादा मैं अभी कुछ कह नहीं सकता हूँ आपको, right? Yes, my best wishes are with you guys. Okay, so all of you, shall we move now? Yes. Yes. Okay. Let's move, guys. All right. After that, guys, these are even numbers, right? Question is saying to find the average of first 6 even natural numbers. What will be the first even natural number? The second will be? Third? 6. So here the general term will be 2n. Think on it. Right? So what will be the first term of this series? 2. What will be the sixth term of this series? 12. The average is what? 7. 12 plus 2 divided by 2 will be 7. Right? देखिए, देखिए. The question is in first 6 consecutive even natural numbers. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Right? So the average of 2 and 12. So 2 plus 12 divided by 2, which is 7. Right? 14 by 2. Guys, clear now? Friends, any doubt, any query, any confusion? No? Done? All right. Simple. Very simple, guys. Right? Very, very simple. Okay? Yes, online students. Bablu is saying that it is 7.5. No, Bablu, it is not 7.5. It is 7 only. Right. Okay. All right. Yes. Shall we move now, everyone? How? Shall we move?
So here the nth term is 2n.
2n. Yes, nth term will be 2n. Right, because this is 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3. So 2n is the nth term. Right? Okay. ठीक है. Arushi Rastogi is saying yes, sir. Yesh is saying yes, sir. All right. After that, see everyone, just read this question. Right? बस करना नहीं है आपको. You just have to read it. Everybody, you just have to read it. हाँ? ठीक है, पढ़ लिया आपने? Read that. ठीक? Guys, you don't have to do. You just have to read. सिर्फ सोचिए इसको. Okay? Just think on it. Huh? Question is saying the average of 7 consecutive odd natural numbers. Everyone, bus. Read this question from here to here, right? I mean from here to here. The average of 7 consecutive odd natural numbers. See guys, 7 consecutive odd natural numbers. If a set of 7 consecutive odd natural numbers is written in front of you, then which term will be the average?
Middle term.
Which one is the middle term?
Fourth one.
Yes, guys, here fourth term is the average, right? So as soon as you have read this 7 consecutive odd natural numbers, your first thought will be going to the fourth term, right? And fourth term, the average is given as what? Right? So fourth term of those 7 numbers is 79, right? Guys, this is fourth term, right? They are consecutive odd natural numbers. So this is fourth, so 3 will be here, 3 will be here, right? So this is 81, this is 83, this is 85, and this is 77, this is 75, and this is 73. This will be the series. Getting it? Right. Note it down, please. Now, what the question is asking, by the way? Largest. Yeah, 85. Guys, it is clear. Gaya Civil Prep is saying, sir, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. अरे यार, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. हाँ, ठीक है, मजा लीजिए फिर और क्या. Right. All right. Yes. Yes, guys. Is it clear now? Everyone? Huh? Fine. Okay. Guys, any doubt, any problem, any confusion? No? Okay. All right. Okay. Shall we move now, guys, to the next question? Everyone? Huh? Everybody, shall we move to the next question? Right? After that, see guys, just think about this question. मुझे ये बताइए, don't solve it. Just read the question till here. Everyone, just read the question from here to here. Yeah. What is the first thought coming to your mind?
4.5.
Huh?
4 और 5 के बीच का.
The middle term.
Average of this series will be the average of the middle 2 terms actually, and that will be 4th term and 5th term.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
The average of this series will be the average of the 2 middle terms, which is 4th and 5th.
Yes.
Clear? Right? So friends, 50. 50 is the average of 4th and 5th term. So, and they are consecutive odd natural numbers. So 50 is lying between 2 odd natural numbers. What are those 2 numbers? 49 and 51. Right? So this is 49 and 51. Right? So guys, they are 4th and 5th term, then 6th, 7th, 8th, and 1, 2, 3. Okay? So this is 47, this is 45, and this is 43. And this will be what? 53, 55, 57, right? This is the entire, series of those 8 natural numbers. Guys, is it correct now? Friends, any doubt? Any confusion? No? Vishal? Comfortable? Huh? Very good. Yes, everyone? Any confusion? No? All right. Okay. Question is saying find the least among them. So the answer is what? 43. The answer is 43, everyone. Right? Very good. Okay. After that, guys, let me tell you. इधर देखिए जरा एक बार. I want to solve one question of UPSC before leaving this type of questions. So just take out the book, guys, please. Take out the book. Okay. आप share कर लीजिए. See, guys, take out the book and come to PYQs. Everyone, come to PYQs. Okay. आगे आ जाइए आप. नहीं. Page number 158. Everybody, page number 158. Right? Page number 158, question number 5. Everybody, page number 158, question number 5. So guys, if you don't have the book, kindly please buy this book as soon as possible because we are following this book in the class. Right? So, question number 5. Everybody just read that question and I am reading for you. Question is saying there are 13 two-digit consecutive odd numbers. There are 13 two-digit consecutive odd numbers, right? If 39 is the mean of first 5 such numbers, then what is the mean of all the 13 numbers, right? Everyone, ये करना नहीं है आपको. You just have to read the question and it will be solved automatically, right? Everyone, just read the second statement. If 39 is the mean of first 5 such numbers. 39 is the mean of first 5 such numbers. Guys, they are consecutive odd natural numbers. Right? And 39 is the average of first 5 natural numbers. Right? So first 5, the third term. Right? Guys, first 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the average of first 5. This is given as what? This is given as 39. And guys, total there are how many terms? 13. 13. If 13 terms are there, then the average term will be what? 7th. So guys, they have given you third term actually and they have asked you the 7th term. Right? So 13, 39, 41, see, this is third term, this is 4th, this is 5th, this is 6th, this is 7th. So they have asked you this term. So this is 41, this is 43, this is 45, this is 47. Right, guys, this is the answer. Okay. Just read the question and think about it and it will be solved. Seriously bata raha hu. Right. Everyone. Right, हो गया? ये यूपीएससी का क्वेश्चन है गाइस. राइट, आप देख रहे हैं? Once more, all right. See, Shirin, the question is saying there are 13 consecutive odd natural numbers, right? And the final question statement is what is the average of those 13 odd natural numbers? What is the average of those 13 odd natural numbers? So if there are 13 natural numbers, 13 consecutive odd natural numbers, then average will be the 7th term, which is the exactly middle one. 6 terms leave from here and 6 terms, remove from here. The exactly middle term will be the 7th one. So finally they have asked the 7th term. Okay. Finally they have asked the 7th term method. Right. Finally they have asked the 7th term. And to find this term, they have helped you with some data. They have said the average of first 5 such numbers is 39. So if first 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So their average is given. So their average will be the third term. Right. So actually the third term is given and 7th has been asked. And they are consecutive odd natural numbers. So 39 is given and this is being asked. So 41, 43, 45, 47. Correct? Yes? Everybody fine now? Right? Mean means the normal average, simple average. Yeah. Okay? Yes, everyone fine? All right, okay. Now, shall I show you one more UPSC question? Okay, हो जाए? हो जाए? All right. अच्छा, मैं अभी आपको recent question दिखाता हूँ, ठीक है? Guys, CSAT 2023, which is considered to be the toughest CSAT so far, right? Question number 14, everyone. Question number 14, page number 159. This is CSAT 2023, right? CSAT 2023, question number 14, page number 159. The question is saying, for 5 children with A less than B less than C less than D less than E. Okay? आप आ जाइए, आगे आ जाइए, आपके पास बुक नहीं है तो विशाल कम हियर. All right, come fast. Yeah. जल्दी से इधर आके इधर. Okay. इधर इधर. Yes, everyone. Question number 14 on page number 159. Just read the question, guys. पहले मुझे ये बताइए, आपको जो इंफॉर्मेशन पार्ट है, जो स्टेटमेंट पार्ट है, मैं उसकी बात कर रहा हूँ सिर्फ. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्वेश्चन, आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्टेटमेंट पार्ट. द स्टेटमेंट पार्ट इज सेइंग फॉर 5 चिल्ड्रन A लेस देन B लेस देन C लेस देन D लेस देन E, एनी 2 सक्सेसिव एजेस आर डिफर बाई 2 years. जब आपने इतना पढ़ा, ओनली विद दिस स्टेटमेंट, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थॉट दैट इज कमिंग टू योर माइंड? मुझे इतना बताइए. Yes, everyone, मुझे बताइए, सिर्फ इतना पढ़ने के बाद व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थॉट दैट इज कमिंग टू योर माइंड?
मतलब AP है ये?
It is an AP, guys. देखिए, इवन भी हो सकता है, ऑड भी तो हो सकता है ना यार. 1357 भी तो हो सकता है. तो आप इवन नहीं बोल सकते. This will be an AP definitely. Everybody, right? So just by reading the question the statement information part, right? The information part is suggesting you that there are 5 children and their ages are in AP. That's it, right? And the difference between 2 consecutive terms is 2, right? Guys, it is clear? After that, yes. After that, the question statement. The question statement is, what is the age of the youngest child? This is the question statement, right? What is the age of the youngest child? ठीक है? And friends, let me tell you, statement number 2, like somehow I just saw the statement number 2 directly, right? So statement number 2 is saying what? The average age of the children is 8. Right? The average age of the children is 8. Guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. मुझे ये बताइए, they are 5
Yes.
consecutive either odd natural numbers or even natural numbers. Yes or no? They are 5 consecutive, either they are odd or they are even natural numbers. Right? So their average will be the third term. They are saying the average is 8. Right? And they all are differ by 2. Fine. So this will be 10 and this will be 12. This will be 6. This will be 4. So by second statement alone, you can find the series as this. Yes or no?
Yes.
By second statement alone, you can find the series as this. Guys, just read it carefully और मुझे बताइए. मैं अभी सिर्फ second statement alone की बात कर रहा हूँ. I'm just talking about the second statement alone. I didn't read the first statement. Right? It's clear, everyone? Vim, it's fine. Sharing, it's fine. Right? Iron, it's okay. Adarsh, Vishal, done? Okay. Now guys, the first statement. alone, the first statement alone. The first statement alone is saying the age of the eldest is 3 times the youngest. Everyone, the age of the eldest is 3 times the youngest. Though here also like we are having the same thing. The age of the eldest is 3 times the age of the youngest. Right? The age of the eldest is 3 times the age of the youngest. So guys, here, I mean, we can observe that the question will be solved from first statement also, but some of you might be interested in, like, sir, please show how can this question be solved with first statement alone, right? So just look at this, everybody, because the information in both the statements are the same, but still, if here by chance I have read the second statement first, but if I didn't read the second statement, then I need to solve this question with the first statement also, right? Then how to solve that? Okay, so just think about it, everyone. First statement alone. So first statement alone is saying their ages are differ by what? 2 years. So if this is x plus 2, this is x plus 3, sorry, x plus 4, I'm sorry guys. This is x plus 2, this is x plus 4, this is x plus 6, and this is x plus 8. Everybody clear? So this is the first term and this is the last term. Correct? And question, I mean, the first statement alone is saying the age of the eldest is 3 times the age of the youngest. Okay? So which means this value is 1/3 of this value, or vice versa, you can say this value is 3 times of this value, right? So this will be 3x, and the difference between them is what? Difference between them is 8. So if this is x and this is 3x, according to you the difference is 2x, question is saying the difference is 8x, then x is equal to what? 4, right? So guys, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, right? Put the value 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So either from the first statement alone or from the second statement alone, this question will be solved, right? So the answer is, yeah, 3x. Question is saying the age of the eldest child is 3 times the age of the youngest, the first statement of the question, right? So if this is x, then it must be 3x because it is thrice of this. Correct everyone? Huh? Guys, any doubt? Any confusion? Any query? ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ जाएंगे तो कैसे करना है? ऐसे ही करना है. नहीं, करना तो पड़ेगा. एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे ना तो हो जाएगा. अभी आप फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम आप इस तरीके के सवाल देख रहे हैं ना, इसलिए आपको थोड़ा सा वो लग रहा है. तो होता क्या, मैं आपको बता दूं, PYQs का इंपॉर्टेंस ही यही है कि PYQ जब आप लगाते हैं तो आपको टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस पता चलते हैं कि यूपीएससी इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहा है. और गाइज ये बात बिल्कुल सही है कि एग्जाम में अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन आप पहली बार देख रहे हैं उसको मत करिए. एग्जाम में कोई भी क्वेश्चन आप पहली बार देख रहे हैं उसको मत करिए. एग्जाम में फैमिलियर क्वेश्चंस को ही करिए. बस जिन क्वेश्चन के साथ आप फैमिलियर हैं, उनका आपको पता है कि ये क्वेश्चन ऐसे हैंडल किया जाएगा, उसको ही करिए. बस समझ गए? तो इसलिए क्या है कि आप अपने आप को, अपना एक्सपोजर बढ़ाइए. जितने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आप ट्राई करेंगे ना, उतने ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस के बारे में आपको पता चलेगा कि लाइक क्वेश्चन को ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं, इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? इसीलिए ज़रूरत होती है बस कि एग्ज़ाम से पहले जितने ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस किए जा सके. राइट? ठीक है? Yes everyone? Fine now guys. Guys, any doubt? Any confusion? So guys, you know what? This is the question that have been asked in UPSC in 2023, right? 2023 is considered to be the toughest CSAT so far. Right? Okay. Is it clear now, friends? Shall we move? Huh? Okay. After that, guys, I'll be showing you one question that have been asked in number system. Come to page number 67. Page number 67. Everybody, come to page number 67 where the UPSC PYQs of number system are given. Right. पेज नंबर मैं बताता हूँ एवरीवन, ये क्वेश्चन आपको सॉल्व नहीं करना है. पेज नंबर 67, क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. राइट. Here I just want your insight about the first statement of this question. Guys, just read the question. Question number 34, page number 67. This is UPSC CSAT 2021. This is CSAT 2021. All right, this is CSAT 2021. Guys, just read this question. The question is saying the sum of five consecutive integers can be 100. I repeat, the sum of five consecutive integers can be 100. The sum of five consecutive integers can be 100. Yes or no? Yes, everybody. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If yes, then can you tell me those five integers?
The third number to 20.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. खत्म हो गया. खत्म हो गया यहीं से, right? See, all of you, the question is saying the sum of five consecutive integers can be 100, right? Five consecutive integers, their sum is 100. It means their average will be what? They are five integers, their sum is 100, so their average will be 100 by 5, which is 20, since they are consecutive. So average will be the third term. So third term is 20, then 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, see, देखिए, third term is 20, right? Then it is 21, it is 22, this is 19 and this is 18. So they are five consecutive integers whose sum is 100. Everybody clear? No? Okay. See, the question is saying there can be five integers whose sum is 100. So if the sum of five integers is 100, then average will be what? 100 divided by 5. So their average is 20, right? Up since they are saying they are five consecutive integers. So if five consecutive integers are there, then their average will be the third term. 1, 2, I mean just remove two terms from here and two terms from here, right? So third term will be the average, correct? So average is like you have found is as 20. So 20, just place 20 here and two terms here, I mean two terms less than 20 and two terms more than 20, consecutive, right? So this is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Integers, okay. Integers are the numbers like where we don't have any fraction, right? So they can be positive also, they can be negative also. 0 is also the integer, right? So let's say -5, this is also an integer, and 5 also is an integer, right? 6 also an integer. So नहीं, नंबर लाइन पे तो रियल नंबर हो जाएगा. मैं अभी आपको नंबर सिस्टम जब करवाऊंगा ना, तो आई टेल यू एवरीथिंग इन डिटेल, राइट? सो फॉर द टाइम बीइंग you just think like you just replace this integer word as numbers for the time being, right? So the sum of five consecutive numbers can be 100, right? Yes, everybody clear now? All of you? Everybody? Answer. See, we are talking about the first statement only. So पहले ये बताइए first is correct or not?
Yes.
First is correct, right? अब second statement देखिए, ठीक है, यहाँ पे आज कर लेते हैं. हालांकि ये क्वेश्चन अभी मेरे को करवाना नहीं था, लेकिन मुझे याद आ गया कि ऐसा एक सवाल पूछा गया था यूपीएससी में, तो मैंने डिस्कस कर लिया. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 2 जरा पढ़िए. The product of three consecutive natural numbers can be equal to their sum. The product of three consecutive natural numbers can be equal to their sum. So guys, 6 is the only number which is equal to sigma n as well as factorial n, right? So the product of three consecutive natural numbers is equal to their sum. The product of three consecutive natural numbers is equal to their sum, right? Now, what will be the answer for this particular question 34? What is the answer? Both are correct. Everybody clear now? Guys, fine. So now friends, you just look, I mean this question has been asked in the category of number system, right? But one statement belongs to the number system, another statement belongs to average, right? So this is the beauty of UPSC guys, right? आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि ये कैसा सवाल पूछ लिया, नंबर सिस्टम का भी नहीं है, एवरेज का भी नहीं है वो पूरी तरह से, राइट? ठीक है? So this is the beauty of UPSC. So आपको बिल्कुल एक जर्नलिस्ट अप्रोच में रखनी चाहिए सारी चीज़ें, ये भी आना चाहिए, वो भी आना चाहिए, लॉजिक भी आपका क्लियर होना चाहिए और आपका जो प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड है वो भी चलना चाहिए, मतलब वो भी होना चाहिए आपके पास और आपके अंदर स्मार्टनेस भी होनी चाहिए. एवरीथिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड, राइट? सिक्स के अलावा कहीं नहीं है, लेकिन मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, नहीं यूपीएससी को देखिए जरा. यूपीएससी ने क्या किया गाइस, मैं आपसे हमेशा कहता हूं कि क्वेश्चन पढ़ना इज एन आर्ट अपने आप में, राइट? टू रीड द क्वेश्चन इज एन आर्ट. व्हाई? बिकॉज if I talk about question number 34, then the question is saying what? The product of three consecutive natural numbers can be equal to their sum. Natural numbers are positive integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the natural numbers, right? And guys, if you read question number 35, which was asked in CSAT 2022. Question number 35. Question number 35 is saying the sum of three consecutive integers is equal to their sum. Right? Right. So guys, here when you are reading the question, the first question is saying about natural numbers, the second question is talking about integers. So when the question is saying integers, it means you have to consider the negative values also. Right? Clear? So now the answer will be changed. For question number 34, this is the only possibility because they are talking about the natural numbers. But for question number 35, guys, इधर देखिए जरा. For question number 35, this is 1, 2, 3. It's okay. Right. For question number 35, -1 into -2 into -3 is equal to -6, which is -1, -2, -3. Right? So the sum of three consecutive integers is same as their product. Again, one more possibility is there. -1 into 0 into +1 is same as 0. It is -1 plus 0 plus 1, guys. Right? So here the answer is what? 3 possibilities. Right? So guys, so you don't have to find 6. They have to be equal. They can be 0 also. They have to be equal. अरे यार, others is saying मान गए, right? Guys, getting it?
Yes.
Right? So this is UPSC everyone. अभी मैं नंबर सिस्टम पे आया नहीं हूँ. This is just the teaser, you know, trailer of number system. तो आप देखिए जरा. And और ये देखिए, आप 21 में what they have asked and in 22 what they have asked. Right? Almost the similar question but in a very different pattern. Or not in a different pattern, they have just changed one word. Natural numbers they have replaced with integer. And a lot of things have been changed. Right? And guys, you are not able to think here in the class. So in the examination what will happen? Right? And one is also given in the answer. One is also given in the option. Right? Only one is also given in the option. Right? So many students will, just like fill that and just move. हाँ ये तो सही हो गया. Right?
Sir, practice questions के अलावा भी questions लगाने करेंगे क्या?
नहीं मैं कर पाऊंगा. मैं प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन के साथ साथ मैं आप लोगों के साथ काम करूंगा और एंड ये जैसे हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं ना अभी कि राइट व्हेन द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग दिस देन व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, व्हेन द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग दिस देन व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. सो विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन दीज टर्म्स. राइट. सो देखिए फ्रेंड्स क्या होता है कि आप लोग पढ़ लोगे वो एक अलग बात है और पढ़ने के बाद जब आप डाउट सॉल्व करोगे ये सिर्फ 20% हो रहा है जितना यहाँ पे हो रहा है. उसका जब आप डाउट सॉल्व करेंगे तो वो अनदर 20% ऐड करेगा. मैं फिर से कह रहा हूँ. फिर उसके बाद व्हेन यू विल हैव द डिस्कशन विथ मी ऑफ दोज डाउट्स then I'll be telling you कि this question should be taken like this, you have to do this thing in this question, then it will add some more 20%. After that you have to solve the mocks because when we are solving the questions in the topic then all the topics are given in one stretch. But when you are solving mock test then what is happening guys? Like one question is from one topic, another question from another topic, another question is from English, next question is from let's say reasoning, right? So there are so many things you have to navigate between the topics and moreover you have to think also you are going to solve this question or not. You have to do this question with equations, you have to do this question with thinking, you have to solve this question with logic. There are so many permutations and combinations in the examination, right? So there are certain things I'll be telling you about solving the papers, right? So guys test series जरूर दीजिएगा and test series का discussion आप जरूर करिए. I'll be giving you all the video discussions of all the tests. और ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, ये भी बता देता हूँ आपको. Because for any very good performance, a very good rehearsal is needed, and the rehearsal is the test series, and multiple rehearsals are needed. Right? Okay. All right. So everyone, let's move now. ठीक है? आगे बढ़े हम लोग. Everyone. तो देख रहे हैं आप? हाँ. देख रहे हैं ना आप? यूपीएससी. ओके चलिए इसके बाद देखिए लेट्स टॉक अबाउट गाइस. या आज इतना ही रखें क्या क्योंकि मुझे लगता है आज खत्म नहीं हो पाएगा. हो नहीं पाएगा.
ज़्यादा मैथमेटिक्स समझ नहीं पाते.
ज़्यादा मैथ समझ नहीं पाती है. चलिए ठीक है आज इतना ही रखते हैं. सो गाइज लेट्स कंप्लीट दिस टॉपिक टुमारो, डोंट वरी. हाँ सो लेट्स टेक वन मोर क्लास, नो प्रॉब्लम. राइट guys, I'll take one more class tomorrow and tomorrow we'll be completing this topic, right? Okay everyone, so let's meet tomorrow at 10:30 guys. Thank you so very much friends. Thank you. Yeah.